Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a name that's been burned into the pavement of American streets for generations: the Chevrolet Impala SS. The 2026 model isn't just another four-door sedan. It's a performance machine, built with the spirit of its legendary ancestors, refined for the modern era. The Impala nameplate has seen everything from big block V8 bruisers to front-wheel drive family haulers. But for 2026, Chevrolet has brought back the SS badge with the power and presence it deserves. Under the hood sits a 6.2-liter LT2 V8, a naturally aspirated beast borrowed from the Corvette, pushing out a solid 500 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. This isn't just a nod to the past. It's a statement that the American full-size sedan still has a place in the performance world. The powertrain is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, tuned to keep the revs in the sweet spot whether you're cruising the boulevard or hammering down the highway. And for those who crave more control, Chevrolet offers an optional 6-speed manual transmission, proving that the Impala SS isn't just about straight-line speed. It's about the driving experience. The exterior design of the 2026 Impala SS is a perfect blend of modern aggression and classic muscle car influence. The long, low profile is accentuated by sharp character lines and a wide stance, giving it an unmistakable road presence. The front fascia is dominated by a blacked-out grille with an SS badge proudly displayed in the center. LED headlights are integrated seamlessly, and functional hood vents hint at the power lurking beneath. Along the sides, sculpted fenders house 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in high-performance Michelin tires, while Brembo brakes with 6-piston calipers up front ensure this sedan stops as well as it goes. At the rear, Chevrolet kept it clean yet bold, with a subtle lip spoiler, quad exhaust tips, and a rear diffuser that's not just for looks. It actually helps with aerodynamics. The taillights pay homage to classic Impalas, featuring a triple lens design with modern LED technology. A throaty exhaust note, tuned to be just aggressive enough without overwhelming daily driving, completes the package. Inside, the Impala SS continues the balance of performance and luxury. The cabin is driver-focused, with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster providing real-time performance data. A 15-inch infotainment system dominates the center stack, equipped with Chevrolet's latest UI, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system. The seats are bolstered for spirited driving, yet comfortable enough for long road trips. Wrapped in a combination of leather and Alcantara, with SS embroidery stitched into the headrests. Chevrolet didn't just slap an SS badge on the Impala and call it a day. The chassis has been stiffened, and the magnetic ride control system ensures that whether you're carving up back roads or soaking up highway miles, the ride remains composed. The steering is precise, and with a limited slip differential putting power to the rear wheels, the Impala SS delivers controlled yet exhilarating performance. One of the biggest surprises is that Chevrolet kept it rear-wheel drive, staying true to the heritage of past SS models. While all-wheel drive is available for those who need year-round capability, purists will appreciate the RWD layout and near-perfect weight distribution. It's a sedan that feels alive in your hands, responsive to every input, and eager to put its power down. Despite its muscle car roots, the 2026 Impala SS doesn't sacrifice modern safety and technology. It's equipped with an advanced suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. It proves that high performance and safety don't have to be mutually exclusive. So who is the 2026 Impala SS for? It's for the enthusiast who remembers the golden days of big American sedans with powerful V8s. It's for the driver who wants something practical yet thrilling. A car that can comfortably carry 4 adults while delivering tire-smoking acceleration. It's for those who believe that 4 doors don't have to mean boring. With a starting price around $55,000, the Impala SS undercuts many European performance sedans while delivering raw, unapologetic American power. It's a statement that Chevrolet isn't done building cars for drivers who love the road. The Impala SS is back, and it's better than ever.